Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shumapte, and today get ready with me for Durga Puja and see how I went from this to this. Also, I have a very good giveaway for this video. Wait till the end of this video to know about this more. So now being said all these things, let's start. So I'm going to start with cleansing my face with Pilgrim's Skincare, a foaming face wash. So this cleanser comes with this a built-in brush, but personally I don't like using brush for cleansing, so I use this like this. I just take out the foam, I massage this on my face. This way this cleanser works really well for me, and the cleanser, it feels very gentle. It also gives this glow. It has this goodness of kiwi extract, panthenol, then squalane. So yeah, if you're looking for a non-drying cleanser that gives glow, you can go for this one. For the next step, I'll be using Pilgrim's Volcanic Lava Ash Face Scrub. This is the gentlest scrub I've ever used for my face when it comes to manual scrubs. It has camellia and white lotus extract. It also has volcanic lava ash. While scrubbing my skin, it also moisturizes my skin. Also, it feels quite hydrating. Because they have used glycerin in this formulation, I massage this on my wet skin for say 2 minutes, then I wash it off, and it leaves my skin super soft. And the third step is to use their volcanic lava ash face mask. Again, if you want glow giving face mask, you can give it a try. It has a bunch of clays, but still it doesn't feel drying, which is great. The texture is very nice. I keep this on for 10 minutes, then I rinse it off. And while this is on my skin, I also apply their lip scrub. It is their squalane and blueberry lip scrub. It makes my lips super soft and makes it ready for lipstick. After rinsing those things, I apply 2% hyaluronic acid serum from Pilgrim. So this hydrating serum is perfect for if you are like getting ready for like doing makeup, because it makes my skin so dewy and plump. My skin just feels and looks so great, and I really like this formulation. And I'm also gonna be using their aloe gel because this is daytime and this is very hot and humid outside, so I'm looking for like hydrating products. And Pilgrims, they have one of the best aloe gels. It feels so cooling and soothing on my skin, and this is a fragrance free formulation. And the next step is their ultra matte sunscreen. It has SPF 50. So if you're looking for a sunscreen that is very good at being water resistant, then I think you're gonna love it. It is an anhydrous formulation, so it also can be really good as makeup base. It doesn't leave any white cast. This is a fragrance free formulation. Love this sunscreen, very good product. It also feels quite lightweight on my skin, doesn't feel like greasy or doesn't make my skin sweaty. And like I told you, it's very hot and humid out there, so I need a sunscreen like this. Then I'm gonna be using Pilgrim's Bubblegum Lip Serum. It is perfect for making my lips like ready for lipstick. And it is so convenient to use. I always carry it in my purse because I love this very much. And then I'll be using this Pixie Skin Tint. If you know my channel, then you know I've been using this for ages. I love the like lightweight coverage. I mean the light coverage that it gives. I don't like heavy coverage foundation or skin tints. I like something very like that makes my skin look better, my skin but better. Okay, don't forget to like take care of your body by drinking juices because it's very hot out there. I don't know what's about your place. Is it hot over there? Here it is. So now I'm gonna be using this NYX brow gel. This is one of the best brow gels I have ever used, but I wish I could have gotten that dark brown color. I only could get that black color. I think that brown one would have looked more natural. Okay, so then I'm gonna be using this eye pencil. So this is brown in color, and that's all I'm gonna do for my eyes, I think, for now, because it's very hot. I don't want to do much. I'm gonna finish this up with a mascara. Now I'm gonna apply the blush, and this is from Charmacy, and this is the prettiest color I have ever had when it comes to blush, very nice. Also, I'll be applying this on my eyelids a bit to balance the color, and I thought of applying a little bit gold kind of a color because peach color looks very good with gold, so I'm applying this around my eyes. Also, I'm gonna use this slightly as highlighter. I don't wanna like look too much chamko, just that's like glow from within kind of a look I'm aiming for. And now it's time to do red lips. See, I'm gonna be wearing this red kurta, and these are my earrings. I'm keeping everything very simple. Okay, I have this issue. I can't like do this without Anirvan, so I had to call him. So a little bit of bindi. So now let's talk about the giveaway. And for the giveaway, there is gonna be one winner. She or he gonna get 3 products of their choice from Pilgrim. And the rules are very simple. Just go to Pilgrim's Instagram page and follow Pilgrim over there and like 3 of their posts over there, and then comment #Pilgrim Festive Ritual, and the name of the winner is gonna be announced after 3 days in the comments. So yeah, it's very simple, and best of luck. Also, for your convenience, I'll be leaving Pilgrim's Instagram handles link in my description box. Also, you can use my code SHOPD15 to get 50% off on Pilgrim's products. And let me know if you like this look or not. This is simply what I do, I like to do more skincare, less makeup, and I don't like, especially during the daytime, I don't like too much of makeup because it's very hot here. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna sweat for sure. So I have applied the sunscreen. This is very good at being water resistant, and I have applied very minimal makeup so that I can touch up easily when I want to, and my face doesn't look heavy or cakey. So yeah, this is the thing. For the night time, the makeup can be a little bit heavier. I can use more products. Also, I can experiment with my eye look, but for the daytime, I think this is the best look for me, and this makes me feel confident and happy, and this is all about your happiness, So yeah, again, best of luck for the Pilgrim giveaway, and I'll be seeing very soon then. Oh, I reckon the light was a bit harsh while I was shooting the video. So yeah, here this is how my makeup looks. And yeah, I'm really happy, and I wish you all the love, all the laughter, and I just wish you all the happiness, and I hope these days are gonna like be on the brightest days, and yeah, smile and just be happy. Ar Shubho Durga Puja.